Good morning. It's about morning. Getting close to that. So I just on the way to see took a stop this Monday. Just wanted to go back and check to see if it's better because it's still going on the place since it was past. But unfortunately, it's not always no signs outside to say. So obviously I take it that this I don't know if this still in the house. Let's maybe go. Nowadays I'm close to work already, so it's maybe possible just something to just keep going. If it was still bad, maybe some cliches is still on the door, so it's listening. Basically it was. For Sunday, just decided since 11 o'clock, the local church decided, I was really going to church, and I was before, but I think it's closed actually. And it's being kept the same bottom last year. There's no sales times open that, so I can kind of check. Also there was people going in, but they weren't, more kind of Indians, and that kind of deal. So, and also some sort of thing. And we tried to get to this church. Also took a piss out, try and get fire line ticket, which I thought might said buses as well. They might cover the buses in Cardiff, but actually wasn't really all these personals, which so basically then when it was late getting back the buses, especially it started raining, so that didn't help. When I got one level on the website, it's now supposed to have 10, so it looks like maybe it was just correct. Sorry, it's a bit late. So then I went to look, I tried to see if there's anything I could get out, and there wasn't any. So I went around Cardiff Castle, which I hadn't done for years. Could be 12 years, honest. I think that's probably about right. It was 2004 on this count. So it's been open. It's more being open in there. I'm more interested in it. In fact, I didn't really blog yesterday. Kind of go. Then after that, he's on the going on this website, which is more applying to a single shape. Said there's a service at a particular Maid's church at 6 o'clock, so I went for that, made it, and got there. So at least I got to the service, at least he's not missing out. Now I have to go off to Cardiff Bay, try and get to the Doctor Who experience. So I'll be for that once the next bus comes. Should be here 8 minutes, I think. Okay, so I'm in Cardiff Bay, it's just starting to rain. So I also got cut short, so I went for the toilet. Also I was there into this information. So I book on film locations for the chest. Also last time I was here for the Doctor Who experience, it was just small, so I'm not sure if this one where they are now, saying they're open might be much bigger. This is the first time, it's the second time, but I think now it's maybe much more. Let's see what's inside the Doctor Who Explains. Okay, I've just seen the Doctor Who Explains over, so at least I can't get lost now. Maybe took a bit of a long way, but then again I want to show you direct where I was. At least the last time I was at it. Right, just now, quite straight. So it's interesting. Let's see past the nice building. Actually, sorry. Another exhibition here to do with the bay. That building is coming out to it. I don't see it. Anyway, it must be gone. Also, I think tourist information is probably there. Then we to the learning centre. Which actually the first time I came to Cardiff was being opened. Which I believe is 2004 or thereabouts. So there's a few changes in here, at least down this time. And some of the listers. The Doctor Who Explains. It's interesting. The first place is like, well, going through the London Dungeon, except it's in Doctor Who. A bit of audience participation, especially more kids and that. Well, at least for the kids. It's quite good. I think it's worth the money, like, for what it is. It's £2 cheaper if you buy online, so that's £14 online tickets, and from me buying on the day is £16, but that's the adult prices, and cheaper for kids. So just checking out this world boat, just going to shoot across the bay. Kind of straight behind is Cardiff Bay station. Also, let's see if there's a cafe here. If you to get seen tea as well. Okay, so we're finished in the water boats. So I didn't take any fish. This was more easy than that going through. I'm going to get a spot of lunch and see what else I can do. Maybe a boat trip. Right. Also, I see Tyler Stock. It's like Darling Stock. Jesse, I think it's the TARDIS. I see boat stock and that. I don't know about we can hire small boats. Oh, it still is.